Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Camry rear door handle. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Disconnect any wiring harnesses for power windows or door locks. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the old handle. Inside the door, you'll find two 10mm bolts holding the handle in place. Unscrew these carefully. Next, detach the door lock rod and the handle cable. These are usually clipped or hooked onto the handle mechanism. Once these connections are free, you can gently slide the entire old handle assembly out from the exterior of the door. Be mindful not to force anything. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new door handle assembly into the exterior opening, ensuring it seats correctly. Reconnect the door lock rod and the handle cable to their respective points on the new handle. Make sure these connections are secure. Finally, fasten the new handle in place using the two 10mm bolts from the interior side of the door. Tighten them snugly, but do not over-tighten. For the final steps, reconnect all electrical connectors to the interior door panel components. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and firmly press it into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Before finishing, test the new exterior door handle several times to confirm it operates smoothly. Also, check the interior handle and the door lock mechanism. This ensures everything functions perfectly before you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.